switched out from his good paid horse. He's riding the long-eared mule now. And I'll tell you what this man is going to attempt to do. And I say the word attempt, and I mean it, because it doesn't always work. He's going to try to put those two buffalo up on top of that trailer behind that good-looking Ram truck. What does it take to do it? It takes a sixth sense when it comes to training animals. This man for years in the world of rodeo has brought longhorn steers, wild mustangs, and now buffaloes to rodeo arenas across the United States and Canada. It's all about getting the right buffalo on top first. Gotta have a leader. Yeah. Ease them around. Ask them nicely and you'll get the job done is what you'll do. Get your cameras out, ladies and gentlemen. There's a reason this man has been recognized in pro rodeo as the greatest entertainer alive today. Give him a salute from California.